Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can create a title sequence in Adobe After Effects. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Adobe After Effects, and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the left side of your screen, you're going to find the option to start a new project. Here you're going to find open project, new team project, and open team project. Right here, firstly, we're going to start or create a new project. And then once you do that, just go ahead and choose the media file you want to work with. So I'm going to choose this one, click on import. And then as you can see, guys, it will be added right here. So right here, as you can see, guys, you're going to find all of the tools that you will need in order to customize your video. Right here in the top, as you can see, guys, you're going to find the horizontal type tool. So in order to use it, just go ahead and click on it, or you can click on Control plus T, and then go ahead and choose where you want to type. For example, I'm going to choose this place, and then I'm going to name it title, for example, like this. And then once you add your text, you can place it wherever you want. So I'm gonna change its place right here to the center. You can also make it bigger like this, change the size of your text. So for example, I'm going to make it a little bit bigger. So right now, I'm gonna go to the timeline. And then here, as you can see guys, go to the timeline of the title. And then, as you can see, guys, I'm going to make it shorter. So I'm gonna leave the title just here in the beginning. And then, as you can see, guys, if you go here next to title to this little arrow, you're gonna find the option to animate your text. Right here, as you can see, guys, you're gonna find all of the options related to the text. So right now, I'm gonna click on animate. And then as you can see guys right here, you're gonna find a lot of effects. So for example, I'm gonna go to enable per character 3D. As you can see guys right here, you're gonna find all of the options for making the text 3D. So once you finish customizing your title, in order to save your project, just go ahead and click on file, then go ahead and export your work. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.